What is customer satisfaction? Customer satisfaction is the measure of how the needs and responses are collaborated and delivered to excel customer expectation. It can only be attained if the customer has an overall good relationship with the supplier. In today's competitive business marketplace, customer satisfaction is an important performance component and a basic differentiator of business strategies. Hence, the more is the customer satisfaction, more is the business and the bonding with the customer. Customer satisfaction is a part of customers' experience that measures a supplier's behavior on customers' expectations. It also depends on how efficiently it is managed and how promptly services are provided. This satisfaction could be related to various business aspects like marketing, product manufacturing, engineering, quality of products and services, responses to customer problems and queries, completion of job, completion of project, post-delivery services, complaint management, etc. Customer satisfaction is the overall essence of the impression about the supplier by the customers. This impression which a customer makes regarding the supplier is the sum total of all the process they go through, right from communicating with the supplier before doing any purchase to post-delivery options and services, and managing queries or complaints post-delivery. This helps the customer to form a strong opinion about the supplier, which finally results in satisfaction or dissatisfaction. Customers' perception on a supplier helps the customer choose among the supplier on basis of money, value, and how well the delivered products suit all the requirements. The higher the satisfaction level, the higher is the sentimental attachment of customers with a specific brand of product, and also with the supplier. This helps in making a strong and healthy customer-supplier bonding. This bonding forces the customer to be tied up with that particular supplier, and chances of defection very less. Hence, customer satisfaction is a very important panorama that every supplier should focus on for good customer retention and prevent customers from defecting. What is customer churn? Customer churn is the act of losing your customers due to competitive pressure, unhealthy relationships, financial constraints, etc. The average consumer service company experiences between 30% and 70% customer churn annually. Several researches have proven that most companies spend $10 to acquire a new customer for $1 spent in retention strategies. Did you know? The following are some important facts to understand the relevance of customer retention. According to the Harvard Business School, increasing customer retention rates by 5% increases profits by 25% to 95%. According to First Financial Training Services, 96% of unhappy customers don't complain. However, 91% of those will simply leave and never come back. According to White House Office of Consumer Affairs, a dissatisfied customer will tell between 9 to 15 people about their experience, and happy customers who get their issue resolved tell about 4 to 6 people about their experience. According to a McKinsey report, 70% of buying experiences are based on how the customer feels they are being treated. According to a research, 55% of customers would pay extra to guarantee a better service. Which customers to retain? While formulating retention strategies, it's crucial to identify which customers you want to retain. This is important because all customers are not equal. Answers to several questions such as which customers to target, how much to spend on saving them, what is the most effective media to use to communicate with them, and how best to serve them to ensure that they remain loyal for years to come can be driven by a factor known as the customer lifetime value. The following are some of the common questions that organizations should ask themselves while analyzing their customers. Am I accurately capturing, on a per-customer basis, all relevant revenue and cost events? What can the data tell me that I can act upon? Am I capturing information necessary to identify different types of churn, such as structural, voluntary, and non-payment churn? Can I tell if my business is changing based on my data? Am I using the right data? When looking at how to keep my customers, am I recording properly why they left? Did you know customer retention does not make sure that the customer is loyal? For example, a brokerage firm has both traditional trading platform and online trading platform. A customer has their trading account in traditional platform, but after some time, they feel like switching over to online trading platform. Now, in this situation, the customer is not considered to be loyal to the given services, but the customer is said to be retained by the same organization.